We're going to look at something called contractions. Okay, this is where we're joining words together and then leaving out or omitting some of the letters. Okay, and then what we have to do is the letters that are missing, we're going to show that they're missing by putting in an apostrophe. Okay, so if we start by looking at the words are not. If we make those into one word, a contraction, they become aren't. Okay, aren't you enjoying yourself, for example? Okay, and the spelling here is are, and we've got the N from not. We're actually not going to include the O, and then we have the T. So it's the O that's being replaced here, so we have the apostrophe here to show that that's the case. He will becomes he'll, so he'll have salt on his chips, for example. Okay, so he will keep. We're actually going to omit or leave out the W and the I, so we're going to use an apostrophe to show that, but we're going to keep the double L. So we've got he'll like that. And then do not, once we've used the contraction here, will become don't. So don't rush your food is going to become don't. So we've got the D, the O, and the N. The O from not is being omitted or replaced by the apostrophe and then the T at the end. Notice I've left a space each time to show that there is a letter missing. I don't need to join those up. Going back the other way now, we've got some examples of some contractions here. So it's sunny outside comes from it is sunny outside. So our two words are it is. He'd like some ice cream. That comes from he would. Okay, so they've contracted these two words to become it's, he would to become he'd, and there is coming from an example like they're reading their books, more than one person, it's they are. Okay, so just to finish off, we've got two words here that have been contracted to make one word, two words here that have been contracted to make one word, two words here that have been contracted to make one word. The letters that are missing, once you've made your contraction, you use an apostrophe to show that's the case.